Good morning. In this video, we will talk about how to use the math library and some of the functions we can use the power. There are many functions, right? Round, so we can do many things. And also we would be, so using these functions, we will be calculating the monthly payment on a mortgage. This is the loan. Loan is, say, we will take, for example, say $230,000, and N is the number of months. If 30 year, that is 360 months. This is a month. And this is the formula that they use, all the banks. So it's not something I invented this. So you have to use this function. What is C? C is the monthly interest. Say you have a percent mortgage interest is 4.875, and this is what the user will enter, but you should convert that into 4.875. This is a percent, right? So this is a percent. So you should divide by 100. This is the annual interest, so you should divide by 12 to get the monthly interest. All right, so that we have taken care. And if you see here, the this term that we have, this term, right, on the numerator is the same as the denominator, except this guy has to be -1 here. So okay, so again, I didn't invent this, I'm only giving you the. So what we will do is we will use a temporary variable, a float. So we'll calculate that as 1 power c n. We'll store it here. And so your new formula will be MP equal to loan times C times temp, right, over temp -1. That's what it is. It will become. And in C language, this would transform itself, this line, as POW, that is power 1 plus C and to the power n. This is the syntax for that. So you will get the monthly payment. And the monthly payment is of two components. The monthly payment is two components. Basically, it's the principal paid to pay every month plus the interest, the actual interest for that month. The actual interest for any month is nothing but the principal remaining, which is the loan, times the monthly interest we're talking about, which is C in this case. This is the interest you pay every month, basically. So this is the remaining. Say you have $100, you paid off, say, $5. So the new interest will be that you'll be paying next month is 95 times the C. And let's say you paid off $5 next month, so your new loan is 95 minus 5. So your new interest is for that month is 90 times C. So that's why it goes around. Okay. So we would be first. So you would be calculating the monthly payment, right, from this formula. We know the interest from this formula, and we would be calculating the principal for that month, which is nothing but P is nothing but MP minus 1. Alright. So all these things will be calculated. So let's go ahead and we will just hard code these values for now. Loan hard coded, loan hard coded, and a C hard coded. But eventually you will be asking the user for any number using scanf functions. Okay. For now we'll just keep it same. And here let's not get rid of this guy. So VI, let's talk about demo loan .c, and we need to include standard io.h. We need to include math.h and int main. So I said float is the loan amount. Let's keep it $230,000 for now. Okay. Interest, we'll give interest as interest, which is float. We'll keep in as interest. Okay, equal to 4.875 divided by 100 divided basically into 12 is 1200, right? So we'll keep that also hard coded, and we'll keep it float. This also float months equal to 360. So temp equal to POW, like we talked, right? POW, right? 1 plus in, which is the, we call C, right? So we'll just keep it C, let's make it simpler. C. C power months, right? And we call months as n, so let's keep it months as n, okay, according to the formula. So n, all right, just the temporary variable float equal to, so that float MP equal to, like we have here, right? We didn't see here, we didn't change anything, everything is as per our plan, and nothing really changed. MP is loan times C times temp over temp minus 1. Let's put that thing here. So just, that's very key. Okay, if you don't put that parenthesis, you'll be in trouble. So interest, we need to talk about interest. We talk about interest as float, interest paid, right, equal to, I said, C times a loan times C is the new loan for us, and float principal paid equal to MP minus interest paid. So we need to print all of them. Print monthly payment equal to percent F, which is actually same as int usually principal paid, which is F plus interest paid equal to percent F and I'm just printing everything. There's nothing else I'm doing here. Okay. Comma, P paid, principal paid, and interest paid. That's all. We'll just see this. All right. Compile it. We always compile with the math library minus LM. It's important. This is very important. Okay. Because you're using POW, right? Which is power. Ta-da. So we have hard coded everything. So this should just print the value, which is this, right? So but we don't know whether this is the right value or not. So what we are going to do is go to a public website, plug in these numbers, and see if they make sense. All right. We don't know whether this is the right. So I'm going to pause a video and go to the website and then come back. Okay. Just bear with me. Okay, I got it here. So this is the website I'm talking about. So our value is 230,000. Is in 36. We talked about 360 months, and 4.875 is the interest rate. And if you calculate, that's the monthly payment 12718. If you see here, 12718 is like 1 cent, 0.5 cent, not even 1 cent. And now we need to figure out what is the interest, right? So here, if you go to the show amortization schedule, it will show you the schedule. See here, you'll see if it matches. So this is what you pay every month. All right. And if you see here, interest paid is 934, 934.38, 934.37. This is, we didn't round off yet. And 282.79 series match. So this is the for 1 month. The next month, like I said, right? You see that this is the first month, right? I'm going to erase all of them. First month payment, right? What is second month payment? What is second month payment? Our monthly payment will always remain the same. Okay, monthly payment is always the same. So you can pretty much print the same monthly payment. Okay, but the interest and the principal will change. You see here in second month, interest is come down by $, principal has come up by $. So it changes, right? So how do you calculate that? Remember I said here the interest, new interest is this amount, right? So let's figure out new interest. Is it make sense or not? So my int paid now is the remaining loan amount, right? What is the remaining loan amount? Is loan minus, this is what I paid. So I paid, right? So my new interest is new loan, which is that times my C, right? And I'm going to print everything. You see that? So let's figure it out. Here it's come down, but I didn't know what happened. Let's go. We didn't the principal paid, of course. We didn't do this, right? Principal paid. We need to get the principal paid is new, the old MP minus interest paid. So all these three things we need. Every time you calculate a month, print the monthly payment, you have to calculate the new loan, right? This is the new loan. this is the new interest paid for that month, and this is the new principal to be paid. All these things, okay? So if you go back and compile it and run it, you will get the same. See, now interest has gone up. Principal has gone up. Interest is you paying $1 less, but my monthly payment will always be the same. So this will go for 360 months. But so now your job is convert this into a loop. Okay, task. I've given you all the tasks. Task 1 is print the values for each month from third month to 360 months. Okay, that's using for loop. Okay, task 2. You see here, I hard coded everything, right? Your task, go back there, go back to the declarations and prompt the user to enter loan amount, interest, and month. Okay, so those two things. So then you can compare with this calculator. I'm going to copy that calculator right here. So you know how to cross check your values with this website. Okay, I'll rather put this in the assignment itself. Okay, so that's all you have to do. You have to convert this into a loop and print just like he printed. I just wanted to print these 3 columns. That's it for the 360 months. You see that is printed for 360. At the end, you paid off your loan in June 2050, 30 years from now. Yeah. Okay. So print. What all you have to print? Monthly payment, principal, and interest. That's all I want. Okay. Thank you.